Yeah, if you love Walther's buildings, check these out, and they do send product overseas.
Threes in today?
031s. I got 3 5.3s in today.
I'll take those if you've got them handy.
Yep. 5.3, 8, 5.4, 4.
Look at the light.
Yeah, I think it's Supergirl. What? So you each have a vacation spot. I heard Toronto's beautiful. I never been.
Oh, in the summer, that makes sense.
Okay. What I was curious about is what's actually on
Well, there should be 6. That's what the computer says.
Yeah.
Don't mind me. Don't pay attention to me. Alright, Mike, what else?
On the switches.
A ton?
Yeah.
Could be a ton. We barely got a ton of product. Don't text me, I'm not gonna get it. Those all go down low, so I'm looking at me.
Lighted? Okay, where's it first?
Mike.
Well, as you can see, they do have all the scales, with the exception of 00. The owner told me, he said, "Oh, we have one 00 down here. Oh, sorry, it was just sold last week." But, you know, you get everything else that you can imagine that the model railroader would require or would desire. And it's really a treasure trove of model railroad equipment, extras, scenery, DC equipment, etc. Really worth visiting.
Wow.
Of the train shack here in Los Angeles. If you're ever in the area, make a point of going there. Please give me the big thumbs up for this effort, and we'll catch you next time here at Partick Hill Station.